guys about our factory for lithium-ion battery. We have two warehouses for lithium-ion battery stock. First, the warehouse, I'd like to show you guys stock the lithium-ion phosphate cell. 3.7 volt, 58 ampere hour lithium-ion battery NMC punch cell. The brand is Starmax. Let's have a detailed look of it. This is Starmax brand. It is brand new grade A, and here have the manufacture date is at 2022 at May. You can see this is totally brand new. All the cell in our company is in brand new grade A. For this type of cell, most customer to use for electric vehicle and electric bike. If you want to know more details about it, you can contact with us freely. And this is the NMC punch cell. This one is the cylindrical. The brand is Samsung SDI. You can have a look. Samsung SDI. It is the best seller of cylindrical in our factory at present. It is also can be used for electric bike, electric scooter. And for this time, the work now is to prepare the EVE brand 3.2 volt, 280 ampere hour. It is the best seller in the market at present. You can have a detailed look. It is totally brand new cell. Brand new cell, positive anti-explosion valve, QR code, negative. It is totally brand new, and we are preparing the order for testing and for packing, for delivery. Each of cell will test well. And this type of cell is mostly used for solar energy storage. If you want to make 48 volt solar system, you can use this type of cell. And this one is also the best seller in our company. This type is Cattle brand 3.7 volt, 170 ampere hour. It is totally brand new cell. You can have a detailed look. It is flat, no buggering, no leakage. Totally brand new, and this is the best seller. And most of the customers to buy this type of cell is for the electric bike, electric scooter, electric vehicle. Okay, so let's choose. It is the battery module. It is the battery module. This type of battery module is 4 series 1 power 150 ampere hour and 355 battery module. It is suitable for Nissan Leaf car replacement. The advantage of this type of module now is the most cost-effective price. It's the workshop for the battery before packing. We will lay the welding step. First, we will pick up each cell to test the appearance. And everything is okay to voltage. And then we will move the cell to the laser M6 stator on it. You can have a look. This is M6 stator. No matter M6 stator or M4 stator or M8 stator, we all can offer the customization for your need. If you want to know more details about it, you can contact. And you can have a look. This is the testing for the capacity of the module and the cells for the sample testing. This warehouse, I will show you guys, is those goods are ready to ship when we pack the testing and packing well and ready to ship. We will put them on here. And those all the battery module, NMC punch cell stock. Those all with original cattle of lithium-ion battery and the punch cell SK Innovation CALB prismatic. Different brand in our warehouse all available. Those stock I like to show you guys is the 355 battery module. We have different brands such as Cattle, CATL, soft brand for 4 series and 6 series all available. Those are all the brand new module. Those are all the brand new module with the 2022 manufacture date. Yeah. If you have needs for such battery module, you can contact with us freely. No matter the price or the quality, we will guarantee for you. Our module is not from the old car. We have 2 ways. First is from the testing car, and the second is from the manufacturer directory. For this bulk of goods is from the manufacturer directory. So if you are looking for lithium-ion battery for solar energy storage, or for Nissan Leaf car replacement, or for electric bike, electric scooter, or golf cart, please contact with us freely. Thank you.